Downloading data from FuboTV can help you keep track of your favorite shows and sports events. Follow these steps to successfully download content. Step 1. Sign into FuboTV. Open the FuboTV app or website and log in using your account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription that allows for downloading content. Step 2. Find the content. Browse or search for the show, movie, or sports event you want to download. Use the search bar or navigate through categories to locate your desired content. Step 3. Check download availability. Once you have selected the content, check if it has a download option. Not all shows or events may be available for download, so look for a download icon or option. Step 4. Download the content. Click on the download option. The content will begin downloading to your device. Make sure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. Step 5. Access your download. After the download is complete, go to the download section of the FuboTV app. You can now watch your downloaded content offline at your convenience. By following these steps, you can easily download and enjoy your favorite content from FuboTV anytime, anywhere.